Just standing around filtering water in the morning. At least there's water near to hand. Well, it's day 6 on the trail. Moving along. Lots to think about. Been enjoying it so far. Seen some interesting wildlife. I wish I could have caught the coati on video back on day 4. Hello, hello.
So hi, take charge here. So Oliver's got a new name, Chuckles.
I have been given a trail name officially.
I think he's accepted it. See, hence.
I'm resigned to it, yes.
All right, Chuckles it is.
It's a good one.
Right on. Anyways, completely lost what I was going to say. That's all right, that's all right. Very exciting moment, very exciting moment. Definitely the body's adapting well. I feel much stronger than I did day 1, but then again, I think everybody who takes this trail feels that way because Miller Peak is so monstrous. Only one toe's acting up. Managed to bandage it up last night. It feels much better today. So yeah, health-wise good. One piece of equipment I absolutely have to get when we get to Tucson is apparently I need a coupler to attach my Sawyer to the bottle that I'm trying to fill. Because if you don't, it's always wobbling and moving and being really annoying. So I gotta find me one of them. It is a very, very handy tool to have, because otherwise you gotta hold your arms up and hold that 2-liter bag for a really long time perfectly over top of your bottle. And it's kind of tiring. And it annoys my back when my back is already annoyed from carrying this stupid backpack all day. So there you go, lesson learned. Well, would you look at that? First flowing water I've seen since I got here. It's flowing. Barely. You know you're a thru hiker when you fantasize about eating lunch at a picnic table. Yes, fantasizing about pooping in the bathroom in an outhouse is also popular. Kentucky Camp. This is the place. Used to be the headquarters of a gold mining operation. What happens if we go up here? Let's find out. There's an old adobe. There's a nice veranda. I think I'll tarry here a while. Yeah.
Did you hike segment 4C?
Whatever
The 4C?
Whatever south of us, we'd hike this. Yeah.
Okay, you started the border.